Okay, this is the moment you've been waiting for. How do you prepare the bean cake? Here I have beans with me. You can see I just put this in this bowl, added some water. I'll be checking this regularly by just pressing one or two of it to see if it's going to peel off easily. And once it does, as you can see, I'll start rubbing them in between my palms. I'll rub and just rub and rub and rub. You don't need to apply so much pressure at this stage, but if you let this soak for too long, I tell you this will be very difficult to do. So you really have to follow this instruction. Okay, you just check it immediately to see. Immediately it gets soft, you start the washing. You can see it's here very clean. I used my hand to do that in less than a few minutes. Actually, you can't imagine how fast it was. So here I'll just have to grab a bowl and then use my hand to take out the bean from the water. I'm doing this because I didn't get to do some checking and cleaning before I started washing the beans. Okay, just to make sure that you don't have dirt or anything in there. Good. So you just have to clean up the place, try to make everything very neat, and then grab an onion, big onion, very big one. And then if you want to make use of this or you want to make use of peppers, it's all your choice. Okay, so me, I love my Akara looking a bit colored, so I use this instead of pepper. Okay, now I'm just trying to clean off the ingredients, wash them properly and then blend. Good. Now I'm going to be using this whisker for kneading. I'm going to knead these beans properly. Okay. Now you need this to allow air to get trapped in it. I added salt here at this point. So you knead it and knead it and knead it properly. It's going to help it to allow air to get trapped in it, and it's going to appear very fluffy when you fry it. Okay. So this is it. While you're doing that, you start adding oil to the pot, or I use the pot because I really needed it to. If you use a pan, it's going to allow your akara to come out flat. So watch this. This is why I use the pot, or you can use something that is deep. Okay, and then add a lot of oil in there so your akara comes out round. And now I'm frying this. You don't have to put this akara on a very hot oil. Another thing that can happen is if the oil is not hot enough, your akara will get soaked. So you just have to be very careful. Allow the oil to be hot. Then you can now start frying. Okay. Thank you. Adios.